Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a crafty challenge that's given by Cara Mia's Corner, and she has a challenge going on called Shop Your Stash, Let's Craft. And this week we were to make a do-it-yourself shadow box. It had to have a dimension, it had to have a surprise message, a sentiment, a floral embellishment, and it had to have a charm. So let me show you what I used. So I used the Sunny Day Charms by Crepe Paper. This K & Company pillow stickers from my stash, these little butterflies. I've used some handmade flowers from Little Birdie, and also some florals from the Paper Studio with Hobby Lobby. I also used this actual sentiment from this Julie Nutting doll, Phoebe. I used a Gina Marie die. This is a basket die. And I also used the Spellbinders oval die, oval die set. So let me show you what I ended up creating. So here is my shadow box. So for my dimension, I think the basket weaving as dimension, as well as the flowers and the leaves. My surprise message, I'll show you that in a moment. The sentiment here, I popped up using the Spellbinders dies. And then of course the florals, it was in the pot and in the paper. And then the charm, this little charm here, I used some twine from my stash to put it on there. And also this paper that I used was from Dear Lizzie, and it's the She's Magic paper. I put twine around the entire frame so I could make a little hanger, and I just tied it in a knot and glued it, and then cut off all the little hanging. And then on the back, excuse me, I have the little surprise message, and then I put a little twine here on the paper so you can pull it out easily. I cut this out with a scallop circle punch, and so it fits in there, and then you can't even really see it from the front. And I thought it was really neat. So this is my do-it-yourself shadow box. So if you're interested in the challenge, check out Cara Mia Corner's YouTube page, sorry, and check out all the designs at hashtag Cara Mia Corners Crafty Challenge 2021. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.